Hi everyone. Okay, my Cocoa Daisy came in. So, let's see what we got this month. I only saw, I think, a little bit of a sneak, so I'm not sure what all we got. Oh, Nordic Woods. Oh, how cute. Very, what do you, these kind of gnomes are very artsy. They're very artsy. Oh, and then I think we got a free sticker. I think that's what I read, is that this is a free sticker set that we got. I'm not sure. I think so. Okay, so, oh, what is this? So I think I paid $73 for all of this, which I just love. Oh, here we go. So I thought we got two pens, the last kit that I got, two exact same pens, last month's kit. I gave a pen, I kept a pen and I gave it to Cheyenne yesterday, and she said, Mom, it's a pencil, and I'm like, oh my god. So maybe I should read what we get and look at the sneaks, because I thought it was a pen and a pencil, so I thought that was cool, so I didn't even know. So, oh, I love that, it's beautiful. So she couldn't use the pencil, so, which is great, because I really like the pencil. So I'm like, yes. So I love keeping the packaging. Look at how cute that is. It needs a cup of coffee in its hand. It really does. That is adorable. Oh, that's just, oh, I love Cocoa Daisy. This is a little notepad we get. How cute is that? And then the washi. Oh, look at the washi. It's the little gnomes. How cute. And then here is the little die cut set. Fun. Oh, and what is that? Oh, I love getting these. They're the notebook holders. I just love them. And look how beautiful they are. Oh, look how just, oh, it's so beautiful. So this is all it does, and then you put your elastic band in there, cover it up, and then here's the, oh, let me open it. Love it. You get the two refills with your pen, but your notepad goes in here, and then your pen goes here. It's just, I love getting these books. They're just so much fun. They really are. See, and then you put your loop in there, which I won't do, but that's what it does. Oh my gosh, is that not fun to put in your car? Because it's just so cute. And then you get the standard stickers. Let me go up higher. These are the standard ones. Oh, holy jolly. How cute. And then here is the dashboards. So, little mushrooms. Ooh, pretty green. Love it. And they cater to people who because they have a separate Christmas kit. So like these December kits, they don't cater to Christmas. It's like everybody. It's winter. It's a winter theme. So because everyone has winter, so even Californians have winter. But that's why the Christmas set is sold separately. That way you purposely buy that. Oh, look at this washi. It's beautiful. Oh, look at these. Oh, I love that. Those are little circle tags. That's awesome. Oh, what's in here? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Very nice. You got, ooh, really delicate snowflakes. Oh, those are pretty. And then you get chipboard letters. Numbers, not letters. Numbers. Oh, that's awesome. Wow, that's nice. Then we get, oh, we get pretty ribbon. Oh, look at this ribbon. It's like an ombre ribbon. Very nice. And this is the stamp set. So I think this is the planner add-on. No. That other one was, this one was the planner add-on. This one was the standard dory without the dory. So I should look and see what exactly it is truly, but I just can't remember to. So these are stickers that look like wind. I have bulldogs, so a picture of them with this behind them would work out really perfect for me. So Cheyenne came over, my daughter came over yesterday, and she slept because she works graveyard, and she slept, and then I was in my craft room, and I had, well, all the 3 bullies are with me, and she gets up from her nap, and she comes in, and she goes, oh my god, it stinks in here. And she walked right back out. And I was laughing my butt off, because I'm like, it's living with 3 bulldogs. So, oh my gosh, she was funny though. She goes, oh wow. That's the sketch. So this is actually the Traveler's Notebook add-on. Or not add-on, but Traveler's Notebook set. So, and then this is the, let me see, you get two, but they're double-sided, so pretty. I love it. So let me pick them up this way. My hands are kind of cold, so it's hard to grip stuff. Oh, really pretty. I like that. Trees are pretty. What a pretty kit. I really love this. And then let's look at the dory we get, the standard Traveler's Notebook. So in my group on Facebook, it's Obsessed with Traveler's Notebooks. We are going to be doing a December daily in our TNs. So if you want to join us over there, we are going to be playing. And then I'll be doing lives. That way I can chit chat and play in mine and, you know, just talk to you guys and have fun. And so I'll be over there on that. Oh, here's the planner add-on. The other one, okay. Well, you guys look at pictures online, and that will help you decide what I have. But, oh, I love this. This is so cute. I love this so much. We have deer in our backyard, and I love it. But yeah, so I cannot wait to play and chat with you guys in there. But it's Obsessed with Traveler's Notebook. It's always linked in the description box. And we have a couple of people who are going to play. So I'm like, that's exciting. So December 1st we're going to start. And I mean, you don't have to do one. You can just come and chit chat with us, with me, and in the group. And, you know, you can do that too. It's okay. So everyone is welcome. Oh, look at that one, you guys. Is that one not cute too? That is so cute. It's got a little mushroom. So cute. Oh, and oh, I'm so glad we get tag. We got a tag. Oh, love that. Okay, so here's the little die cuts we get. So cute. And then this is the standard stickers we get. Oh, the 3x4 card. If kisses were snowflakes, I send you a blizzard. Aww, is that not cute? My favorite winter activity is going inside and putting pajamas on. That is my everyday favorite activity. I call my pajamas my uniform. So I tell my husband I'm going home and putting my uniform on. So, because that is life. So cute. I love winter because I don't look fat in warm clothes. Cute. Oh my gosh, I love that. Alright, you knocked it out of the park again. Cocoa Daisy, love it. Alright guys, can't wait till next month. We'll see you all then. Bye.